Well, it's a lovely day to get a driver's license. Nope. Give me your driver's license. Are you feeling nervous?
Well, it is terrifying, yes.
Yep. Make it yourself ready. What did your mum say to you?
She was just like, do your best, that's all I can ask. Whatever happens, happens.
Now, is there any road you want to go over, anything you're not sure about? Any road that's spooky?
The country roads are a bit weird.
Which ones?
Like towards like PageRank Way, those scare me a bit.
Why?
I don't know, it's just like, they're all windy and then speed and all that.
What are the guidelines with them? Then when it opens up, what do you do?
Check your mirrors and speed up.
When it closes down?
Slow down.
Good. We can have a look on one of them if you want, yeah? I don't think you're going that way, but
No, yeah.
we'll have a look through PageRank if you want to go. What's the date today?
The 18th of October.
You got all your mirrors done?
Yeah, just doing these ones now.
Well, today we've got Imogen in, first attempt. Tell them how you're feeling.
Scared?
Scared?
Just whatever happens, happens.
I taught her dad in 2009. He took her like a duck to water, passed first time. Then I taught who? Aidan?
Yeah, my brother.
In March. Paul passed in January 2009. Aidan passed in, I think it was March 2015. Lovely lad, but he was a dog teaching him to drive, wasn't he?
Oh yeah, he's still like that.
He was hard work, that lad. Cool dude, but hard work. He passed first time, I don't know how, but he did. Right, and then we've got Imogen. Right, any questions before we set off?
Don't think so as of right now.
No, then fire away. Is your dad at work?
Yeah. Yes.
When you get with the car with the examiner, put the license in there. Have you got that?
Okay.
It said, do you want your trainer to come with you? Say no. Say, do you want me there at the end? Say yes. Too scared to come and sit in the back of cars and watch you drive. We still had talked about that one the last time, didn't we?
I think so, yeah.
One of the examiners is off on the hospital.
Yeah, Dad just rang me and said, all systems are go here.
What did he say?
He just said all systems are go for you, so...
Did he tell you that they're bringing an examiner in?
Yeah, he said one of them was off ill or something.
Yeah, so I had to ring them.
But yeah, that's all he said really. And he was just like, well, go crack on and do it, and then whatever happens, happens. If I pass, great. If not, we'll go again.
Oh, you passed the day, you believe.
I'll do my best.
We're all feeling the day.
Trying.
Right, Imogen, I'm going to ask her to pull up on the right, and she's going to demonstrate how to pull up on the right and do it safely with the correct observation and accuracy. Yes?
Yeah.
So you can show the learners how it's got to be done. Now, could you pull up on the right hand side of the road for me? That's exactly where I would have stopped, thank you, and I'm backing up 2 car lengths. Slide your door mirror across for us, and your door panel, the button. No, that door mirror go back. Dankeschön. Now, did you stop for cars coming this way?
Mm-hmm.
Did you stop for cars going that way? No, but if it was on a narrow road, you might be still wary of them, yeah?
Mhm.
Sorry if you're reversing back. What do you do if you hit the curb?
Straight back up and
Should,
out.
yeah, shut the forwards and backs. And if there's any pedestrians?
Stop.
Good. Now that would be a pass with no fault recorder, well done. No, nothing wrong. Oh, I've took another look there. Yeah. Over that shoulder. Ask Ian if he remembers this road. Yeah?
Yeah, I did
Remember
tell
this
Dad
one?
about this. And
This
Dad
is the road, sir. This is where he nearly frightened the life out of me. I'm going to leave that in on video. He went onto that side of the road about 50 miles an hour. Instead of just going to there, he went.
Yeah.
Oh, no, if he goes, still a pass. There now at the end of the road, left again. Well, young lady, you have 17 minutes and counting.
Oh, goodness.
So there's nothing, any manoeuvre you want to do again or anything at all, I'm sure?
I don't think they were that bad then.
It's a great feeling, isn't it? Yeah. Hopefully
Before that, though.
yeah. You drive like I've taught you to drive and you'll pass easy. Right, go and reverse into the base, yeah? Pick the middle one of the three. So the third one from the end, the middle one. Oh, there's one there, look. Oh, shit. Just pick the second one from the end.
Okay.
This one here. Go on, then whip it over. Today. Go on, no, right over to the right over. Go on, you've got loads of room. Well done. Right, see the one you're going to do?
Yeah.
Oh, that means you're not passing if they're all passing.
That's it.
You've got quarters, you know, they can only pass so many.
Really?
So everybody tells you.
It's very close on your side.
Yeah, I wouldn't have been that to fix
I'll
that.
fix it, yeah, of course.
Because the power lines are going to come in park next year, no?
Oh, look at them looking. The window.
Who's looking?
No, Brian.
They'll be watching you reversing this. Oh, that's not the best, is it?
It's just a troop of them.
Go on, keep butting it up, keep it more around. Put a bit right hand down. Right hand down a bit more. That'll do, straighten it up. That'll do.
Hello.
Hello. We're about to go to the
Alright.
test centre.
Oh, all right.
She's panicking here.
Hey,
Why? She's not panicking, man. She's cool as ice.
She's
She's cooler than me.
Hey?
She's cooler than me. She's cooler than me.
Are you working or are you sitting in your jacuzzi smoking a cigar?
Well, I don't smoke for one. It's not very big and clever. And I'm working as usual.
Get out of in your jacuzzi.
Well, depends when I've had beans. I don't have to get a jacuzzi.
Oh god, that's disgusting.
What are you expecting out less?
We're up to 6 minutes. We're going to make a prediction. Are you going how many faults? Pass or fail?
I'm not going to make any predictions because, like I've told you, there's no point. I don't know what happened there.
How are you? Are you passing or failing?
Well, no, I think she's passing, but if she does, she does. If she doesn't, she doesn't.
I know that, but how many faults then?
Probably none because she's genius.
Get real.
How many did I have? 3?
You've had about 7 or 8, you.
Did I shite? I'm not kidding you, it's only said 3.
No, you had about 7, I remember.
Oh no, I didn't. I'll find my plastic and that's a load of horse shite. Anyway,
how many?
I'm not putting any pressure on her at all. Whatever she gets, she gets. So it goes on.
I'm sweating like a lunatic here. How many faults?
Why, that's your job. That's your job. You've got to remember, you're sweating like a lunatic. You're sweating like a lunatic, but just chill.
Well,
that's what you rub off on her.
Right.
Put it roll on her because she's cool as ice.
I know, Imogen, you're going to pass or fail? He can't give you a prediction in. Pass or fail?
Well, I want to pass.
She's going to pass. I'll tell her, she's going to pass.
How many faults?
What does she do? She does. I don't. How many are you allowed?
15. Give us a number.
4.
4? That's a good guess. Go on. How many faults?
5, 4, 5.
4 or 5? Well, I'm going for 1, sir.
Oh.
Yeah?
Oh, well, that's cool. No pressure at all, Imogen.
No, you don't say.
Sure, been a good driver. My was a bit sketchy, but other than that, it should be all right.
But she's about 1,000,000 times better than I was in our past.
That doesn't mean anything.
No, of course it doesn't. Like I've said to you before, what happens, happens. Doesn't matter. You pass, you pass. If you don't, you don't. Simple as that. You've tried.
Your dad's got cojones the size of melons, wasn't he? Yeah. He wasn't.
Yeah, the balls.
Eh?
Oh, balls. I was more of a nervous wreck underneath, but it just is what it is. Here's what it is. Simple as that. If you get older, you realise that. Probably then I didn't, but now I do.
Well, we're going to let you go, sir. We're going to meet the examiner now.
Right.
So
Good luck.
We'll ring you back later to tell you whether you should pass the field, yeah?
Oh, gosh.
Champion. Right, good luck.
See you
See you
later.
soon.
Bye,
See you later. Bye.
I was going to laugh out him, didn't
Oh,
you?
God.
Oh, then the straight your stuff, young lady. Time to rock and roll. Yeah.
Hello.
She's failed. She got 1 serious and 2 minor faults. 3 minors. You never guess what you done.
Oh,
36 and a 30.
you're joking.
You're not going down Potter's Bank.
Alright.
Just past the Duke well and down there. She went downhill and they picked up speed.
Well, never mind.
She's gutted. You'll have to cheer up when you get back. I'll try and get her a cancellation.
Right.
She said the examiner was horrible to her.
Really?
Aye? Didn't know why.
In what way?
Dunno, I just said he was very abrupt and shouting at her.
Is that something you can have a word about, like, huh?
Well, not really, because
Should he be doing that?
Eh?
Should he be doing that?
Well, he shouted at the end when she passed. She only had 3 minors.
Oh,
Tell him what you've done.
well, I've got to admit, yeah, that's it. Well done, Amy. Thank you, didn't I?
Yeah.
Never doubted. Fantastic. I tell you what, Ken, I'm going to give you the award for the best Oscar. That was class.
Yeah, I got you.
Well done. I tell you, didn't I?
No, 3 faults. You got 1 for hesitation. And I forget what the
Right.
other 2 were for. I'll have to have a look on the sheet. So,
I'm sorry, right, for about what I'm about to say, right?
hold them.
Fucking get in. Tell me French. Well done, Jimmy. Tell you.
Yeah, I know you did.
Well,
Get in.
I'm off to take her
Cheers,
home.
Ken. We'll start again.
Catch you later.
Right there.
See you later.
I
Right.
don't know.